Once upon a time, there was a place in Pasuruan, in the form of a dense forest of wildness that had not been touched by humans. Alas kung liwang-liwung, can momoro, can mamati. The dense and haunted forest inhabited by many wild animals and spirits. The giant snake that rules the forest is very scary.
It is said that many people who enter the forest get lost and cannot find their way home, even though they have looked careful and thoroughly. It is still difficult to find a way out. In Javanese, it is called mecicil-mecicil orang nemu dalan. That is why the forest is named Mencilan.
One day, the ruler of the Pasuruan thus opened a competition.
For anyone who successfully opens Alan's Mancilan safely, Sinuhun Adipati will be pleased to give Mancilan land as a reward. Even though Mancilan Forest is known to be scary, the prizes are quite attractive, making people flock to the competition.
News of the competition spread to Pekalongan. No.
That's right, bro. There is a competition from the Pasuruan Danse for anyone who succeeds in opening the Mancilan Forest. They will revise a price of a piece of land.
The news of the contest was heard by Kiai Benga, a preacher from Pekalongan. Kiai Benga, real name is Hasim Mubarak, a descendant of Sunan Gunung Jati Cirebon.
Armed with a strong belief in good health, Kiai Benga lived for Pasuruan. Kiai Benga was accompanied by his three brothers, Hasan Ali, Abdul Jalal, and Nasia. Upon arrival in Pasuruan, Kiai Benga and his instructed to Manggung. Kiai Benga confessed his intention to participate in the competition.
The next day, Kiai Bengah and his brother headed to Mancilan Forest. When entering the Mancilan Forest, Kiai Bengah felt a bad feeling. It was as if the inhabitants of the Mancilan Forest were disturbed by the presence of the four of them.
Kiai Benga was right at the ring figure around get snake the root the forest. The snake blocked Kiai Benga then attack first. Even though the gate snake attacked Billy, Kiai Benga remained claim he only did get and did no reality at all against the snake attack.
The giant snake continued to attack Kiai Benga. He also killed his flock. Hundreds of small snakes attacked Kiai Benga. When Kiai Benga was cornered, suddenly a big tiger appeared. The tiger was named Macan Kope. Its big body and loud roar frightened the herds of snakes.
With the help of Macan Kopex and God's help, Kiai Benga managed to end the attacks of wild animals and gain snakes in Mancilan Forest.
After that, Kiai Bengah took water which he placed in a large pottery, then made a pact with wild animals and giant snake. Starting today, we promise to live side by side in the Mancilan Forest. If you disturb my descendants, they will not be safe. Conversely, if my descendants disturb you, they will also be in trouble. Then the snakes drank the water in the pottery and returned to the forest.
The ruler of the dance kept his promise. Kiai Benga received the Mancilan land as a reward for his success in opening the Mancilan Forest. Kiai Benga and his dear brother began to sell and build a village. To support religious propagation, Kiai Benga built a mosque and Mancilan hamlet.
The news of the opening of Magellan Forest into a Wilkie was also heard by Mbah Hasan Sanusi, a cleric and Victor repeated by the Pasuruan community, driven by curiosity about the figure of Kiai Benga who stood in opening Magellan Forest. Mbah Hasan Sanusi visited Magellan Hamlet. Mbah Hasan Sanusi asked about the truth of the Santa that was developing in the community. How Kiai Benga managed to open the tents and united Magellan Forest with humility. Kiai Benga told is was.
I once said that if we ever succeed in opening this Magellan Forest, I will take him as my grandson-in-law.
The people of Magellan live peacefully, although they often encounter bush roaming around. However, these animals never disturb. The figure of the Kopek tiger is also so maintains style seen walking around maintaining the peace of the environment. To maintain the peace, Kiai Benga always taught not to disturb each other. Small children were taught to love animals and the environment. They grew up with hearts full of love.
Years passed, Magellan was no longer a dense forest, but had developed into a hamlet with a harmonious community life. In addition to religious activities, Dusun Magellan is also known to have a strong pencak tradition.
Years passed, Mancilan was no longer a dense forest, but had developed into a hamlet with a harmonious community life. In addition to religious activities, Dusun Mancilan is also known to have a strong pencak tradition.
The story of Kiai Benga's success in opening the Mancilan Forest provides an example of the importance of compassion in life. Even though he won, Kiai Bengah did not immediately expel or killing the wild animals that live in the forest, but instead inviting them to live side by side and not interfere with each other with their children and grandchildren.